Greetings and welcome to the Flavor Fit YouTube channel, your go-to destination for all things fitness and nutrition. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of protein bars, a staple in many of our diets. So where did it all begin? Picture this: the late 80s, the Bay Area. Two distance runners embarked on a mission. Their goal? To create a compact, convenient source of nutrition that could fuel their long runs, and voila! The first protein bars were born. These were not just any snack. They were a revolutionary fusion of convenience and nutrition, packed into one tasty bar. In the blink of an eye, or so it seemed, these protein powerhouses had swept the nation. By the mid-90s, protein bars had become a phenomenon. Why? They offered a quick and easy way to get the nutrients needed, whether you were a fitness buff hitting the gym, or a busy bee needing a quick bite on the go. From humble beginnings, protein bars rapidly captured the hearts of fitness enthusiasts and busy individuals alike, leading to a booming industry. As the years rolled by, protein bars underwent a significant transformation. What started as a simple, pragmatic solution for endurance athletes in the late 80s rapidly morphed into a global phenomenon by the mid-90s. Today, it's estimated that the global market for protein bars will exceed a staggering $2 billion by the end of 2026. But with this booming popularity, the protein bar industry has been thrust into the limelight, and not always for the right reasons. Manufacturers, in a bid to outdo each other, have often gone overboard with their marketing claims. Protein bars are frequently touted as magic bullets for health and workout performance, with many brands positioning themselves under the broad umbrella of wellness. However, these claims have sparked off a flurry of debates. Some experts argue that the industry's assertions are exaggerated, prompting consumers to question the true benefits of these bars. A protein bar, they argue, is not a magic potion, but just one piece of the larger health and fitness puzzle. The protein bar industry, despite its success, hasn't been without its share of controversies, stirring up a heated debate about the true benefits of these bars. So, what does this all mean for you, the consumer, considering a protein bar every day? Well, let's unravel this together. On the bright side, protein bars can be a convenient source of nutrients. They're portable, easy to eat, and can offer a quick protein boost, especially for those with a busy lifestyle. But we must remember that not all protein bars are created equal. Some are packed with high-quality protein, fiber, and healthy fats, while others might as well be candy bars in disguise, loaded with sugars and artificial ingredients. On the flip side, relying too heavily on protein bars could mean missing out on the nutritional diversity offered by whole foods. You see, whole foods contain a variety of nutrients working together synergistically, something that's hard to replicate in a bar. Let's not forget about the environmental impact. The production and packaging of these bars can contribute to waste and pollution, which is something to consider if you're environmentally conscious. Ultimately, the decision to make protein bars a daily part of your diet depends on your individual nutritional needs and fitness goals. If you choose to incorporate them, aim for those with minimal additives, low sugar, and high-quality protein. But remember, they should complement a balanced diet, not replace whole foods. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history and evolution of protein bars. Remember to subscribe to the Flavor Fit YouTube channel for more insightful content. Stay fit, stay healthy, and keep adding flavor to your fitness journey.